everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the stock market prediction web application which is created by me and my team. And in this, for the front end, we use React, and for the back end, we use Fast API, and also we use machine learning model LSTM, which is greater for predicting the real-time stock prices. And as we come to the interface, uh, yes, this is the interface. In this search bar, you have to search the stock name. Like for example, I am searching Reliance ns and I click on the get stock data. Yes, we got the stock information and current stock price trend graph, and also we got the next 1 year stock prediction, price prediction, and we got the recommendation also. As we go to the stock information, it will give the selected stock name and current price of the stock and highest of this month and lowest of this month. And next will show the current stock price trend and next 1 year prediction of the stock, and also it give the recommendation to buy or sell or hold the stock, and it will also give the recommendation reason for the recommendation, uh, why you have to buy the stock, why you have to sell the stock, why you have to hold the stock. And this is our project. Hope you like it. Thank you.